Good afternoon to all. Today we are discussing the topic star to delta and delta to star transformation. Star to delta and delta to star transformation. So first, what is star to delta, delta to star transformation? So the delta to star means delta is replacement of equivalent star connection, which is called delta to star transformation. The two connections are equivalent or identical to each other if the impedance is measured between any pair of lines. The two connections are equivalent. For example, A and B are identical to each other if the impedance is measured between any pair of lines. That means the value of impedance will be the same if it is measured between any pair of lines irrespective of whether the delta is connection between the lines or its equivalent star is connected between that line. Okay, so you are see the figure delta and star connected resistors. So this is the delta connection A and B. Between A and B connecting resistance R1. Between B and C connecting the resistance R2. Between the A and C connecting the resistor R3. You are in the delta is replaced by star equivalent star connection A and B, A and B and C. A and B connecting between the resistors. A is RA, B is RB resistance, C is RC resistance. Okay, so the delta to star conversion. So what is meant by delta to star conversion? The replacement of delta or mesh equivalent to star connection. Okay, so first you are rather delta connection, you are replaced the equivalent star connection, which is known as delta to star transformation. The two connections are equivalent or identical to each other if the impedance is measured between any pair of lines. That means the value of impedance will be the same if it is measured between any pair of lines irrespective of whether the delta is connected between the lines or if equivalent star is connected between that line. Okay, so this is the delta connection, this is equivalent star connection, this delta connection to converted between the stars. This is equivalent star network. A and B between connecting resistance R1, A and C connecting between the resistance R3, B and C connecting between the resistor R3. These are the three wires, three phases. A phase is RA, B phase is RB, C phase connecting resistance RC. Okay, consider a delta system, that's the three corner points. This is the delta connected system, three corner points. ఏమేమున్నాయి corner points? Three corner points, A and B and C. This is the figure of delta system of the branch point A and B, B and C and A are idenamma. So R1, R2, R3. So this is the delta connected system. Three corner points is A, B, C and node. Next, the branch between points A and B is R1, B and C is R2, A and C is R3. This is the delta connected system. This is equivalent star system. Okay. The resistance between the points A and B. What is the resistance between the points A and B? This is the resistance between the A and B. What is the resistance? R1. Okay, so the resistance between the point A and B will be, so all of you see this figure, resistance between the figure A and B. So in the star network, what is the resistance between the A and B? What is RAB? So in the star conversion, RAB. So this is RA resistance, B is RB. What is RAB resistor? Antena? So RAB. RAB. In the delta connection, AB, what else? R1 is parallel to between the resistors R2 and R3. So all of you see clear? So these two are series connection. This R1, okay? R1 is parallel to R2 plus R3. R1 is parallel to R2 plus R3. So this is the RAB. So ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. The resistance between the points A and B in the star connection RAB. In the delta connection, R1 is parallel to R2 plus R3. What is the parallel connection? 1 and 2 is connecting in parallel. What else? 1 into 2 by 1 plus 2. All of it clear? 1 and 2 is parallel connection. 1 into 2 by 1 plus 2. So same in the process, R1 is parallel to R2 plus R3, R1 into R2 plus R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను parallel connection. What is parallel connection? So 1 and 2 is parallel, 1 into 2 by 1 plus 2. Same, R1 into R2 plus R3. So this is 1, this is 2. 1 into 2. R1 into R2 plus R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now, one star system is connected to these points A and B and C as shown in the figure. 3 arms RA, RB and RC of the star system are connected with A, B, C respectively. Now, if we measure the resistance value between points A and B, we will. So, ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేయండి. This is the delta connection. In the delta is converted into star connection. A, B, C, 3 points. In the RA, RAB, RAB. So the AB points between RA plus RB. These two is connected in series. All of you clear? So A and B is connected in series. So RA plus RB. Then amma cheppindi RAB is equal to RA plus RB. Since the two systems are identical, resistance measured between terminals A and B in both systems must be equal. Okay, so the two systems in the delta system is converted into star system. So the two systems are identical. Resistance measured between terminals A and B in both systems must be equal. So what is the AB systems in the delta connection? R1 into R2 plus R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3 is delta. Okay, so in the star RA plus RB. So the both systems are equal. So equal చేస్తున్నా. ఏమైంది? RA plus RB is equal to R1 into R2 plus R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. All of it clear? Similarly, the resistance between points B and C. So ఇంతకు ముందు ఏం చేసాం మనం? A and B చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? B and C. The resistance between B and C. So tell me, Praveen. Praveen 211.
Sir,
Tell me the resistance between B and C in the delta connection. So in the delta చెప్పమ్మా resistance between B and C. సో ఇంతకు ముందు మనం A and B చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు B and C చెప్పండి. So A and C is the resistor R2 is parallel to the series connection. ఏముంది ఇక్కడ series connection? R1 and R3. Simple. R2 is parallel between R1 plus R3. Clear? R2 is parallel to R1 plus R3. In the B and C, B resistor ఏంటి? RB. C resistor ఏంటి? RC. That's the enough. So the B and C, RB plus RC is equal to R2 into R3 plus R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's enough. Clear all of you? And the resistance between the points C and A. Tell me, Praveen. What is the resistance between the points C and A?
C and A, sir. R3 parallel to R1 into R2.
Excellent.
R1 plus
R3 is parallel to the series connection R1 and R2. So R3 is parallel to R1 plus R2. In the star connection C and A, so C and A are A plus R6. That's enough. Clear? Say in the series star connection, RC plus RA. Delta connection R3 into R1 plus R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Clear all of you? So you are calculating the relation between star and delta connection. So in the series and parallel connection, star connection and delta connection. So adding the equations 1, 2 and 3. So ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా. So in the adding the three equations 1, 2, 3. So this is the resistance measured between the terminals A and B. In the second equation, resistance measured between the B and C. So third one, resistance measured between the points C and A. Add A and B, B and C, C and A. 1, 2, 3 add చేయమంటున్నాడు. So adding equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. What else? RA plus RB plus RP plus RC plus RC plus RA. So 2 into RA plus RB plus RC. Clear? 2 RA, 2 RB, 2 RC. So in the three resistors should be the double. So 2 is common. 2 into RA plus RB plus RC. Same in the delta connection also. Same in the delta connection also. 2 into R1 R2 plus 2 into R2 R3 plus 2 into R3 R1. So because of your common 2 cancel. RA plus RB plus RC is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. All of you clear? So in that, this is the star connected, equivalent star connected system. This is equivalent delta connected system. Subtracting the, adding the three equations in the star is equal to delta వచ్చింది. బట్ ఏం కావాలి మనకి? ప్రతి ఒక్క రెసిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ కావాలి. సో బిట్వీన్ ఏ పాయింట్ యొక్క రెసిస్టెన్స్ B point యొక్క resistance, C point యొక్క resistance. So the every resistance will be calculated because of subtracting 1, 2, 3 from equation 4. Okay, so 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3 చేసేయండి. What else? RA is equal to R3 R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next, RB R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Clear amma? Subtracting equations. This is the star system is equal to the delta system వచ్చింది. దీనిలో నుంచి you are subtracting one equation, subtracting two equations, subtracting three equations. So the three equations you are subtracting, the relation of delta to star transformation can be expressed as RA. So these are the very, very important formulas in the solving the problem. Every problem you are solving, so these formulas is very, very important. RA is equal to R1 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RB R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. The relation of delta to star transformation can be expressed as follows. The equivalent star resistance connected to a given terminal is equal to the product of the two delta resistance connected to the same terminal divided by the sum of the delta connected resistances. So ఈ formulas ఎలా వచ్చాయి చెప్తున్నాడు. If the delta connected system have same resistance or at its three sides, then okay, for example, in the delta connected system, the given three resistances say, for example, A point to B point resistor is 2, B point to C point resistance 2, C point to A point resistance 2. So A might be two same resistances. So R into R by R plus R plus R. So same, all the resistance should be same. So small r is equal to R into R by R plus R plus R. So R by 3R. So in the numerator R, denominator R is cancelled. Capital R by 3. Emma? So you are calculating the resistance of the delta connected system. In the three sides should be same resistor. So small r is equal to capital R by 3. This is the, you are derive the formula. Next, so all of you clear delta to star transformation? Any doubts asked? Next, we are derive the star to delta conversion. For star to delta transformation, so same delta to star transformation, you are derive the, you are calculate the resistances the equation. We just multiply equation, that is by doing, so 5 into 6 equation. So in the last two equations,
so 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 5. You are multiplying just in the equations 5 into 6, 6 into 7 plus 7 into 5. Okay, so you are multiplying all the equations. So R1, R2, R3 you are calculating. Okay na? So RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA is equal to R1, R2, R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So because of you are calculating R1, this equation into R1 R2 plus R3 by R3. సో ఇలా మనం ప్రతి ఒక్క ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేసామనుకోండి R1 R2 R3 వస్తాయి. సో ఇన్ ద డెల్టా టు స్టార్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ RA RB RC క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. సో ఇన్ ద స్టార్ టు డెల్టా కన్వర్షన్ R1 R2 R3 యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి చూడండి, కన్వర్ట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ డెల్టా రెసిస్టివ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంటూ an equivalent star network. So in the three resistors are given A, B, C resistors 1, 2, 3. So 3 point, 1 point, 2 point and 3 points. So 1, 2, 3 points. A is equal to 20 ohms, B is equal to 30 ohms, C is equal to 80 ohms. Okay, so you are calculating Q. First you are calculating P anukondi. So in the P value you are calculating, so in the A into B by A plus B plus C. సో ఇందాక మనం ఆల్రెడీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం RA RB RC. సో యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ RB A into B by A plus B plus C. A into B, A వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 20, B వాల్యూ 30. 20 into 30 by 130, so 4.61 ohms. Same in the you are calculating another resistance A into C by A plus B plus C. A into C 20 into 80 by A plus B plus C, 12.31. Next you are calculating another resistance B into C. So B into C by A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. So R1 R2 R3 ఏదైనా మీ ఇష్టం. యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ వన్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ RA అనుకోండి, RB అనుకోండి, RC. ఏమ్మా యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ R1. So this RA into RB by RA plus RB plus RC. Same in the second resistance A into C by A plus B plus C. You are calculating third resistance C into B by A plus B plus C. So this is the star delta resistive network into an equivalent star network. Next, convert the following star resistive network into an equivalent delta network. So equivalent delta network calculate చేయడం కూడా ఇప్పుడే మనం సాల్వ్ చేసాం ఏమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టార్ నెట్వర్క్. ది స్టార్ నెట్వర్క్ టు ఈక్వాలెంట్ డెల్టా నెట్వర్క్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో A is equal to Q into P. You are multiplying two resistors. You are calculating first అనుకోండి. You are multiplying 1 and 2 by remaining. So P and Q calculate, P and Q multiply చేస్తామంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ రెసిస్టర్ వేయాలి. You are calculating you are calculating A multiplied P and Q, remaining value R, PQ by R plus Q plus P. You are calculating one resistor. Next B, you are multiplied P and R. So ikkada check cheyandi, idi kaakunda remaining P and R. So P and R both inkemundi Q plus R plus P, 260 ohms. సేమ్ ఇన్ ద సి, ఈ రెండు కాకుండా ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ఏముందో అది Q అండ్ R బై P ప్లస్ Q ప్లస్ R, 312 ohms. దిస్ ఇస్ ద star resistive network into an equivalent delta network. Next, what are the advantages of this conversion? Star to delta conversion, delta to star conversion. So that star transformation is well suitable for transport voltages to long distances, and it also has a neutral point which can be used to the unbalanced transient current of the circuitry to the ground. So the delta transformation, you are using the star transformation is well suitable for transport voltages to long distances and is also has a neutral point which can be used to the unbalanced transient current of the circuitry to the ground. Next, delta transformation can transport balance three-phase voltage without any neutral wire, which marks delta best of transmission network. ఓకేనమ్మా. సో మనం ఈ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ నెట్వర్క్లో డెల్టా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ని ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టార్ టు డెల్టా కన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్. So ask any doubts.